everyone, welcome to JAIIB CAIIB English Medium. This side Aarti and I hope you all are doing great. So if you are targeting for JAIIB May 2025, then this special video is for you. Because today we are going to talk about syllabus and the eligibility required for our JAIIB May 2025. Hello Vinod sir. So before we start, I request you that if you are new to this particular channel, do subscribe to this channel and share with all your friends and colleagues this session who are planning or who are just thinking even whether to give or not. Do share this session because this session will tell them the benefits all about JAIIB, that is May 2025. So without wasting any time, let's start this session. So firstly, we are going to talk about that JAIIB is actually conducted by which body? So we have one government body known as Indian Institute of Banking and Finance. We call it as IIBF. They are the official bodies who conducts this JAIIB exam. JAIIB, Junior Associate of the Indian Institute of Bankers. Okay, and remember, they conduct this JAIIB exams twice a year and specifically in the months of May and October. So in a year, we are having two chances, that is May and October. So currently we are targeting May 2025, but if you are not comfortable and if you are thinking that no, we are not ready to give this May, so you have next chance also October. But remember, the early you start, the increments will be added early. Now, next thing about this JAIIB is that what is the eligibility? That if you are deciding that whether am I eligible or whether we have some criteria in this specific type of criteria we have, anything like that if you are thinking. So watch this special slide because in this I am going to talk about the eligibility. Who are eligible to give JAIIB exams? Now, so this eligibility is divided into two things. Number one, you need to be member of IIBF. Your bank needs to be member of IIBF. Second eligibility is 12th standard pass in any discipline. Only these two requirements. And as a banker, we all are 12th pass, of course, and you just need to check whether your bank is the member of IIBF or not. That is the important criteria. If yes, then do enroll in this JAIIB exams. Because these two criteria are very important for JAIIB. And if you see what are the fee structures, that also I added. If you are going to give first attempt, then 4,000 as a fee you need to pay as an exam fee member. Second attempt, if by chance you are not able to clear in your first attempt, then you need to pay around 1,300. Third attempt 1,300, fourth attempt 1,300, fifth attempt 1,300. So that is the exam fee structure that I also added in this. So remember, if you are not a member of IIBF, then you are not eligible for JAIIB exam. That's why it is very important to first identify whether you are a member or not, and secondly, 12th standard pass. And next thing, you need to see that open to non-members, as I already told you, you are not eligible. Open to members, yes. So that is only the criteria. Then I told you the exam fees also. Exam fees for non-members, as you are not eligible for exams, there is no exam structure. Whether e-learning facility available? Yes, that is available for you. So this is the eligibility. Only two eligibility, you need to focus on that. Now, next thing, after fulfilling your eligibility, now let's talk about what are the syllabus we have for our JAIIB. Remember, our syllabus for JAIIB consists of 4 different subjects. Indian economy and Indian financial system, we call it as IEIFS. Second, we have principles and practice of banking. We call it as PPB. Then third, we have accounting and financial management for bankers. This is your AFM. Then we have retail banking and wealth management. That is your RBWM. Yes, we have only 4 subjects in JAIB. Now if we talk about each subject, okay. So remember, your exam questions will be around 100 marks, 100 questions. This is the exam pattern. 100 marks, 100 questions. Now, what are the different type of questions you are going to see? That is your MCQ type. Multiple choice questions you are going to see, like A option you need to see, B, C, D. Choices you have, MCQ based. Then, if we talk about the marks, like 0.5 questions you are going to see, 1 mark questions you are going to see, 2 marks questions you are going to see. So this is your exam weightage, like what are the different type of exam weightage questions you are going to see, what type of pattern we are going to see, like that is MCQ based. In that they are asking fill in the blanks also, match the following also. So these are your exam pattern, but totally based on MCQ pattern. Next, how many total questions we are going to see? 100 questions. Give me a moment, I'm so sorry. Yeah. 100 questions and for 100 marks. Okay, so this is all about your syllabus. Now, if you see IEIFS and like PPB, these are the subjects, especially if you are comfortable with your banking area, then these are very easy for you. But as a commerce and non-commerce candidates, we only stuck in this AFM. If you are a non-commerce background candidate, then you are going to see the difficulty in accounting and financial management, because in this we talk about different accounting, financials, balance sheet, trial balance, income tax, costing. So these things are covered under accounting and financial management for bankers, and generally this subject is handled by me and Niharika ma'am. So do remember, this is very important subject, because as a commerce and non-commerce candidates, we need to handle this AFM also. Then we have retail banking and wealth management. Each subject, each paper will be consisting of 100 marks, 100 questions, and this is your pattern and this is your weightage questions. So I hope now you understood what is our syllabus. And if you see the time period, so if you see the time period, we have only 5 months. How 5 months? See, if you start your preparation from December, you have December, January, February, March, April, and your exams will be May 2025. So you need to leave this month for revisions, for practice, for crash batch, for revision batch, for mock test, because multiple revisions only lead to your higher probability of clearing your JAIIB exams. So this is how you need to tackle. You need to cover this whole 4 subjects in this remaining time period. Okay. And if you want proper planning, you can enroll in our batches, because we have already ready with the planner that how we are going to start, which subjects we need to cover first, which subjects we are going to cover in what time, how much time period we require for that. And if you start early, you get the chances of multiple revision also. We provide you multiple and different questions also, as per exams, as per IIBF syllabus, because everything whatever we teach in our classes, that is totally related to your JAIB provided by IIBF. Only their material we use. So that's why the chances of clearing your JAIB in your first attempt increases. And how you can enroll in that batches, let me tell you. See, for enrolling in that batches, you can visit to our official site. Let me take you there. So this is our official site, Adda 24/7. If you type in any search engine, this is your home page of Adda 24/7. In this, you need to click on all courses JAIB CAIIB. As soon as you click on JAIB CAIIB, JAIB May 2025 is your target. Remember, please select the options correctly, and then you are able to see JAIB Mahapacks 2.0. This is the pack which will be helping you from day one till your exams. Because in this we provide you the conceptual classes also, revision classes also, crash classes also, and mock test, unit wise test, doubt solving facility, live classes, recorded classes. There are n number of features, and that too with a one time investment only. Because if you purchase individual batches, comprehensive batches, it will cost you more than this amount. Because every time you need to purchase the comprehensive batch, every time you need to purchase the crash course, then you need to purchase the revision batches. So you need to invest again and again. So if your target is JAIIB, then why not to invest one time only? So what you can do, you can click on this buy now. As you can see right now, there is only 75% off. But with this code, let me tell you the code Y895. If you are using this code, you are going to get 80% off. Remember, through this Y895, you can increase your discount code. And along with this, double validity also. And if you purchase the same Mahapack from Adda 24/7 app, then you are going to get additional 1% off, that is of coin. But all this will be available to you only if you use the code Y895. So that is totally depends on you that how early you start preparing for upcoming exam. Remember, each day is very important for you, because in this time period you need to handle your office, you need to handle your family, you need to tackle so many different things. You need to cover your targets, you need to fulfill your some promised some kinds of upcoming situations. Or there are so many things, there are so many uncertainties which we are not able to predict it today. So why not to start early? So this is the particular batch, you can use it. But as you are preparing for JAIIB, so you are also going to give CAIIB, correct? And you are also going to give bank promotion. So we need one proper package which deals with all of these. So what is that package in which one-time investment will lead you to whole promotion, to whole covering of JAIIB, whole covering of CAIIB. So that pack is your Officers Adda Mahapack 2.0. This is Officers Adda Mahapack. In this, we are going to cover your JAIIB also, your CAIIB also, bank promotional exams also. So if you enroll in this, again you can use the same code Y895. Let me show you. That is Y895. As soon as you are going to use this, you are going to see 80% off. Okay. This 80% off, again it will be increased by 1% if you purchase this from Adda 24/7 app with double validity. But remember to use Y895, then only these things will be available to you. Otherwise, you are going to get only 75% off. If you are not using this code, you are going to get 75% off. This is the right time to invest in a right place. Chaliye. So with this, let's wind up this session. Thank you everyone for joining. In case you have any doubt, you can ask us through comment section. You can call us also, which is given in your description. Thank you everyone.